Amazon is quietly deleting secondary users. Are you on the list? Now, this is an older update, but a lot of people don't know about it, so that's why I'm covering it. Inactive secondary users to be removed from Seller Central accounts. To better protect your Seller Central account and keep data secure, each quarter will remove secondary users on your account who are inactive for more than 12 months. This change offers you the following: increased security, simplified access management. If needed, you go and set and edit user permissions to add removed users if they still need access to your account. So Amazon may accidentally remove you, especially if you have a secondary backup for yourself to get into your account. They might just remove you from your account. So keep these in mind, right? So some sellers like it, some sellers don't, right? Thank you. It's about time. So very, very happy about this. Will we receive any notice? They will not receive a notice. So this seller asked, hey, pretty much is if Amazon's going to delete somebody, will you receive a notice? Will the admin receive a notice? The answer is no. Nobody's receiving notices. Amazon just decides and just removes them, which is a little concerning if you do have secondary user permissions that of important people and they may go on and then boom, they're automatically removed. When will this start? It already started, my friend. It sounded great, but I'm not seeing it happen. Multiple accounts I should have been removed from, but I'm not. I can't even get help because I have no way to contact the account holder. That's because they're probably active. This is a great step. I've tried to remove users for the past 6 months and the tool ignores all my updates. So, not fun. Okay, so that's just pretty much part of it. You know, it's a win for some, it's a lose for some. I don't like when Amazon implements these types of policies because they might remove the wrong users, and it's not very clear who set it up or how they set it up. But if you did want to access your user permissions, you just log into Amazon Seller Central, go to settings right here, and then click on user permissions. This is where you can give and remove user permissions on your account. So again, it's not super difficult, but that does help you. And you just want to keep that in mind that user permissions might be randomly kicked off from your account. You might have to add them back in, which is a pain in the butt. But that's it. Also, if you go to our description, we will do a free listing audit for you if you wanted to increase your sales or if there's any slow moving products. Click on this link. Then you're just going to fill out this form. After that, we'll do a free listing audit, give you all of your top competitors, how much money they're making per month compared to you, and what you can do to actually improve your listing, right? We already did this for Lead, and you can see their A+ content compared to their competitors, completely different. And that's what's going to increase your sales and make a difference. So it's free for you, up to if you want it. It's great practice for us, but that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you with your Amazon journey. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.
Mm.